We have automation feature in ZIVUX as well. Let's start by creating workflows. We can create different workflows for our ZIVUX portal. Let's have an example of lead assignment. We'll have a name as lead assignment. Then we have trigger points and actions. We can select a trigger point as new lead. When a new lead is created in the CRM, then we have to create an action of assigning a lead. So once we click on this action, we'll be able to have a mode in which we can have a specific user. Then we can select a specific user through this drop down list. Once we do this, a workflow will be created through which whenever a new lead is created will be assigned to this assignee.